guys, welcome back. Several of you have emailed me or expressed concern about your clay becoming bone dry. So I'm going to show you how you can take bone dry clay and recycle it and use it over and over and over. Because remember, as long as clay is not fired, you can use it hundreds, thousands of times. So right here, I've brought my bucket from downstairs. These are some bone dry shavings from what I've been throwing. So I'm going to grab a bag. And I'm just gonna put my bone dry clay in here. If your bone dry clay is like all in one clump, you wanna break it up into small pieces. That way the water absorbs evenly. Okay, so make sure to break it up. So there we go. I've got my bag of bone dry clay. Then I'm just gonna take a cup of water and I'm gonna pour in, probably about half a cup. Just enough that it is truly all pretty much soaking. Okay, I'm gonna seal this up. I'm gonna wait 3, maybe 4 hours, come back, and it's gonna be all slip, liquid clay, and then we'll go from there. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, and we're back. So, a while ago, really quite a lot less time than I thought, probably just an hour or so, I've had this clay soaking. To turn it back into slip. This was my bone dry pieces of clay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I actually have a little excess water at the top. I don't know if you can see all that extra water in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this out, and this is actually great slip, so I'm gonna keep it for my next example. So I'm gonna just pour all this excess water out. Oh, it's getting sludgy, so I'm gonna stop pouring. Then you have a couple options here. You can either take just like a bed of paper towels, if that's what you have, but would probably work better is a towel or an old rag. And I'm just gonna pour this clay on top of this rag. Oop, I might have to scoop some of this out a little bit with my hand. So let's do that. So I'm gonna scoop out my slip, which was my bone dry clay, onto this towel. Oh, that is so lovely. Now you get to experience what it's like to be me digging into that trash can every day to recycle slop. So you're just doing it on a smaller scale. Okay, so I've got my slop here laid out on my towel. I didn't recycle that much. I was just doing a demonstration. But I'm gonna let this dry out. I'm gonna keep an eye on it for sure. Don't leave it out all night because then it's gonna be bone dry and have to do it again. But I would suspect that in an hour or so, maybe 2, I could come by, flip it, pick it up and flip it, and then I'm gonna have good clay again, okay? So yeah, that's how you recycle your clay. All right, I will talk to you later.